Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today's video is a super special one. It's one of my absolute favorites to film. Not only are we switching things up in our new apartment, getting ready for holiday decorating, but we are having a super special pre-Christmas delivery. A little while ago, the wonderful team at Samsung Australia reached out to me and asked if I would like to share some styling tips for their amazing TV, the Serif. First of all, can we just take a second to appreciate the fact that this TV is white. Honestly, a white TV is literally everything I could ask for when it comes to decorating the living room space, because I think we can all agree that sometimes the TV can be a little bit of an eyesore. It is a big black box that's in the center of the room and it sometimes can monopolize the design space. So having a white TV that is like a piece of art or a beautiful piece of home decor, it's like a design dream come true. So if you're a regular to my channel, you'll know that we've been in this apartment for about a month. So we've had the living room set up in one way, had a little bit of time living with that setup, and I thought that there was a better way that I could set up the TV, not only to allow space to have the Christmas tree where you can sort of see it and make the most of it for the Christmas period, but also to put the Serif TV in the best place possible. So in today's video, while we wait for delivery of the Serif TV, I'm going to be switching things up, getting ready for some holiday decorating. I'm going to be sharing with you a few different styling ideas that I have in mind, sharing some of the visions and some of the concepts that I've got through vision and inspiration boards. And I'll also be rearranging the living room into one of the styling setups that I think will be great not only for the Christmas holiday period to allow room for my big and beautiful Christmas tree, but also to allow space for this Serif TV. Okay, enough chitty chat, let's get straight into the video and start switching things up. Freddy, Freddy bear, Freddy bear. Where's your mummy's baby boy? Where's your mummy's baby boy? Mummy, I'm sulking because you left me behind this morning. I'm still not talking to you because you left me at home by myself. All by myself, you didn't take me in the car.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
That was actually one option that I was thinking about doing, just using that as a TV stand, even just temporarily. Let me move over here so you can see it. Even just temporarily, it looks like it's tiny in that open big space, but think about it, it will be filled up quite considerably with the Christmas tree there. I'll just need to move, and I'll do it when Jake's here because I'm not doing that again myself, move the rug back just a tiny bit, just squidge it back, which when you've got two people it's much easier. But I think what we'll do is put the Christmas tree in place first, but that definitely needs two people to move that. But it's coming together quite nicely and I'm very happy with the progress that I was able to make on my own in just such a short time, which was about 45 minutes I think so far. Wowzers schmouzers, I love doing this. This is my favorite thing in the world to do, practically.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
So the next job, there's like honestly decor everywhere from ripping that thing apart. Next job is to empty out this cabinet, empty the top, empty the insides, empty the drawers, and then as soon as Jake gets home from school, just switch it from there, boom, to there.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas. Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance.
So this is look number 1 with a solid media cabinet. This is a buffet style TV unit with the TV sitting on top. I love this look because it conceals all the cords. You cannot see anything behind, and it's really neat, clean and minimal because there's no open shelving. And as much as I do love open shelving for displaying all of your goodies, it can look a little bit cluttered and messy sometimes. You want the focus to be on the Christmas tree through the holiday period. I think it does look nice to have everything concealed and contained behind a closed media cabinet.
Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night.
Now, as far as the sofa side goes, we've got a few finishing touches. We've just got to pop on a few little decorative pillows. I don't like to decorate too much with the soft furnishings or anything like that for Christmas, just because I don't like to have a ton of extra Christmas specific decor. So I just try and keep it pretty minimal, but I did pick up a few new pieces just to give it a little bit of a refresh. Now, I don't want to go too overboard with colour because, like I said, you want the focus to be on the Christmas tree and the Christmas decorations throughout the holiday period. So I don't really want anything that is going to steal the thunder of the Christmas tree. So I like to have it like pretty minimal, pretty neutral, but still at the same time looking really soft, cute, comfy and cozy. So I really like how those have turned out. And for cushion covers, it makes it so easy to decorate because you just use the same insert and then you just pop them into a different cushion cover, and it is a really cost-effective way for switching things up when it comes to decorating.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance.
So again, just keeping it really minimal with the coffee table decorations. We just have a pretty simple tray, a little artificial plant that we've used like a bit of garland throughout, a candle and some coasters. So it's pretty, it's practical, it's quite minimal. I don't want too much decor competing. So when you've got the Christmas tree, I think it's just good to let that shine and let that be the center and the focal point, and just keep everything else pretty low-key, minimal, neutral, and just let there be sort of one star shining in the room. And when the Christmas tree is down, that star is now going to be the Serif TV.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Now I think maybe something that is missing here is potentially a little lamp or a light. I do have the 2 Christmas star lights over there, but I like to keep those as a pair because I like everything symmetrical and balanced. But I think I could pop a small light and then maybe one higher Christmas decor item here, and then that just gives a little bit of a light source so that if the TV is not on, you can have a little bit of a light source there as well. So I'm going to pop this away and then see what I can do with a little lamp that I've got. Alright, so I think having that little light source is good, but might be a little bit too matchy having 2 sets of Christmas decor like that. So I think I'm going to switch those 2 high ones out for something a little bit lower and see how we go. Another great thing about the Serif TV is that it has a little styling shelf. So on the top of the TV, as it is like a side serif font eye, it has a ledge along the top that you can use for styling. So I'm going to be super excited to put some little Christmas decorations up for the holiday period, and then once holidays are over, to have it styled up with a few of my favorite decor items, because you know I love my decor. And when you don't have that sort of built-in higher media cabinet, it's nice to have a little bit of decor up just to pull some visual interest up higher, so it's not just TV. So definitely excited and looking forward to that. Now I think one of the last things that I need to do is just to figure out what I want to do on the wall behind the sofa. I haven't had a wall behind the sofa for quite a long time, for many years. The sofa has always been in the middle of the room, so it's a bit of a new thing for me to have something to decorate directly behind the sofa. Now I'm not going to keep those two prints, they are going in the hallway. I'm just putting them there to just have a look for size, for reference. And the other thing that I really want to do is do something to disguise that little eyesore. But I think I might look for some prints that are about that size, or maybe one bigger one if I can find it. But that will come maybe later on in the year. Maybe that'll come closer to Christmas. And I do like having a little bit of Australiana in here because it is an Australian channel, and I do like to share that with you guys.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter.
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing how I've switched up my entire living room, getting ready for Christmas and for the Serif TV. I hope you've enjoyed all of the different styling ideas I've shared with you today. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series when we receive the TV, set it up in our living room, and share with you the other styling ideas. Definitely leave in the comments below which is your favorite styling idea. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.